Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this BURANO design and building gel to do a beautiful set of nails with bling and all of that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell as well. Let's go.
So the first thing I'm going to do is push my cuticles back, because having cuticles on your nail bed is going to cause the product to lift. So the first thing you want to do is push your cuticles back, and I'm using the back of my cuticle to basically just scrape up the things. I'm not doing it too hard. I'm not hurting myself or anything like that. None of that is happening right here. All I'm doing is pushing back my cuticle, and I have some product on my hands, so it's taking that right off. So see, all the dead skin, it's up and ready to go, except for right here.
Okay, so I'm going to be using my drill and a little cuticle cleaning drill bit to take the cuticles off the nail bed, because it looks a horrible mess. So that's all I'm going to be doing, and I sped this up so I'm not hurting myself or anything. I'm not digging into my nail bed, so don't worry about it. Everything is fine. My nails are in perfectly good shape afterwards, but all that nasty cuticle is up and gone, baby. Up and gone. So now I'm going to be using my BURANO 100-180 grit file. I'm using the 180 side to scuff up the nails to remove the shine from the nails, because with the shine on the nails, you're not going to be able to stick your products to your nails. So you always want to remove the oils, natural shine off the nail, and that's all I'm doing right here. I'm not digging into my nail bed. I'm just lightly taking off the shine. Okay? I'm just lightly removing the shine off the nails, all of them. Any nail that you're going to be doing, you're going to want to remove the oils and the shine. Just saying. Okay, so after removing all the dust, you want to come in with your base gel, and this is to help the polygel to stick to your nails. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the solution. It's called BURANO Creative Nail Solution. I'm going to be using the soft pink, and I'm also going to be using the magic purple, and I'm going to be using magic orange as well. So those are the pieces I'm going to be using today to do my set. So I like the solution. It's really awesome. I like the way they have designed the bottle, but you know, oh, and the magic colors, they actually are magic. They change colors in heat. So this is what I'm talking about this bottle. It has a little fippy top, and you can just open that up. If you don't have a container, and you know, most people don't, if you buy this kit, it's all inclusive. So basically they made it very easy for you. If you don't have a container for your stuff, you can just boom, pour your liquid out and close your top. So they made it so you can use the top for, you know, what you're doing, and for when you're like using the top, you know, you don't want your product to spill, you just slap that down and boom, you're ready to go. Okay, so we touched on everything else but the brush. So it has a brush on one side and a spatula on the other side, which is awesome. So the brush comes, you know, firm, so you have to put it in the liquid and kind of, you know, let it soak up all the goodies of this juice and, you know, clean it off. And then these are the forms that came in the kit. I love how they are. They're clear, so when you put these on, you know, the polygel will be able to set under the light. You don't have to worry about the underside because the light can go straight through the forms, which is amazing. And I like that. I like that they, you know, gave you clear forms, so that's a perfect plus. As you guys could see, that was a pretty easy way to get a set of nails. It was fast, and you don't have to have that much skills to do it. All you have to do is know how to work your brush. And now I'm using the 100 side of the file to get these nails into shape. It's really easy to file. It's super soft, so you don't need a e-file. You just use the hand file. It's really quick. It's a really quick process to get your nails done with polygel. So, and it lasts a really long time. So if you're not into acrylics, you know, this is a really nice way to get you a nice set that's gonna last you, that it's easy and it doesn't have any smell. You don't have to be rushing. It's super easy to use, and it gives you enough time. So if you're not really good at it, you don't have to worry about this product drying up on you. It's gonna just be there sitting until you put it under the lamp. There's nothing happening with it. It's gonna just stay soft. So it's perfect for beginners. So if you want to start doing nails and you are scared to try acrylics, this would be a perfect solution for you. I will leave a link for this and all the products. Yeah, it's just this I'm using. I will leave the link for the Burano kit in the description. It's not that pricey, and you get a lot. You get bang for your bucks. So it is worth it, and it comes with everything. It comes with everything. If you want to see what comes in this kit, I will leave a link in the card so you can go check out that video. But that's it. I'm going to be signing off now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell as well. Comment, share, like, all the stuff. Follow me on all my social medias. The girl needs to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be having 1,000 subscriber giveaway competition, whatever you call it. I'm not sure what to call it. Yeah. So if you want to be in it, comment, enter me. If you're here in this part of the video and you stick around this long, as I was saying, it comes with a lot of stuff. So I'm using the base gel to adhere the crystals, because I'm going to be adding some crystals to my nails. I was going to do a full nail with crystals and some glitter and whatever, but I changed my mind. I'm like, no, I'm just gonna just add. I was gonna do glitter. I was gonna just add some glitter, but I just changed my mind and decided to add some crystals. I just wanted something really cute. So that's it, guys. Sorry about talking so long. Hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to be fly like Regina Nail Flies, because I'm out of here. Bye, guys.